you can actually adjust the level of noise cancellation on your Redmi Buds 6 Pro. So if you have noise cancellation enabled, you can have different levels of this. So if you want to increase the noise cancellation level, you can just move this little slider. But before you do that, you have to turn off adaptive noise cancellation because that makes it automatic. And then you can manually adjust the level of noise cancellation. So just try to increase it. You can tap on that. You can tap here to increase it. Or if you want it at the highest, you can leave it at the very extreme right. And that's for maximum level of noise cancellation. So that's how you can manually adjust the level of noise cancellation. You can also enable adaptive noise cancellation, and your earbuds will determine when to increase the level of noise cancellation or reduce it depending on your environment and your ambient noises or sounds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.